Hello world. Let's discuss about the concept of quadratic equation. In the former previous videos, we discussed the concept of equation, simple linear equation with one unknown, two unknown, and three unknown. And this video, we are going to discuss the concept of quadratic equation. Okay then, what is quadratic equation? Quadratic equation, when an equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and in which a, b and c are constants is called, then that equation is called as quadratic equation. That's like ഒരു equation അതിനകത്ത് ax square plus bx plus c and the values of a and a b c are constant, that is constant values, that is a numerical numbers. Such an equation is known as quadratic equation, and the value of x in that equation is an unknown, so we have to find out the value of x. For example, 3x square plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here, a, b, c, the values of a, b and c are 3, 4, 5 and the value of unknown is x. So this is a quadratic equation. Normally, we have to find the value of x, and there are two types of quadratic equations. They are general quadratic equation and pure quadratic equation. And the first one is pure quadratic equation. In an equation, if an equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and the value of b or b is equal to 0, then that equation is x square plus c is equal to 0. Right. When the value of b or x is equal to 0, then the equation becomes x square plus c is equal to 0. Then such equation is called pure quadratic equation. And the other one is general quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That is a normal form of general quadratic equation. That's like the value of a, b and c are constants here and the value of x is an unknown. Such quadratic equation is known as general quadratic equation. And there are three methods to solve a general quadratic equation. Here we are going to discuss the quadratic formula method and how we're going to solve or how we're going to find the value of x using quadratic formula. And the quadratic formula is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That's the formula, general quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, let's discuss how we're going to solve a quadratic equation using quadratic formula. And the question is 2x square plus 8x plus 8 is equal to 0. Here the quadratic equation is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4az divided by 2a. Right. So here the value of a is equal to 2, value of b is equal to 8, and value of c is equal to 8. That's the value of 2x square, a is equal to 2, 8x, b is equal to 8, and the value of c is equal to 8. So when we applying the values a, b, and c into the above formula, it's become minus 8, that is minus b, minus 8 plus or minus root of b square, that is 8 square minus 4 into value of a is equal to 2. So 4 into 2 into 8, value of c, divided by 2a, 2 into 2. So the equation becomes minus 8 plus or minus 8 square is equal to 64 minus 4 into 2 into 8 becomes 64 divided by 4. So it's when we convert the value of values into, or we reduce the values, it's become minus 8 plus or minus 64 minus 64 is equal to 0, and the root of 0 it's becoming 0 divided by 4. So minus 8 divided by 4, that is minus 2. Then minus 8 plus 0 divided by 4 is equal to minus 2, or minus 8 minus 0 divided by 4 is equal to minus 2. So the value of x, that's our unknown, is minus 2. That's here we get the two values of an unknown. Uh, Unfortunately or fortunately, here we get the same values for the two alternatives. Normally, we'll get two different values for the value of unknown. So here is the method of solving quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Hope all the students clear this method. Thank you all. Thank you so much. We will see you with another short video. Thank you.